We're going to take a look at section 8.4, which is dealing with efficiency in perfectly competitive markets. We know that when profit maximizing firms in perfectly competitive markets combine with utility maximizing consumers, the resulting quantities of outputs of goods and services demonstrate both productivity and allocative efficiency. And allocative efficiency means that among the points on the production frontier, the chosen point is socially preferred, at least in a particular or specific sense. In a perfectly competitive market, price will be equal to the marginal cost of production. And so productive efficiency, that means producing without waste so that the choice is on the PPF. And in the long run, in a perfectly competitive market, the price in the market is equal to the minimum of the long run cost curve. In other words, firms produce and sell goods at the lowest possible average cost. And so, as we said before, allocative efficiency means that among the points of production, the points along the production possibilities frontier, the chosen point is socially preferred. In a perfectly competitive market, P equals MC of production. When perfectly competitive firms follow the rule that profits are maximized by producing at the quantity where P equals MC, they are ensuring that the social benefits they receive from producing a good are in line with the social costs of production. Perfect competition is a hypothetical benchmark. Real-world markets include many issues that are assumed away in the model of perfect competition. So these are things that prevent us from having perfect competition. So such things as pollution, inventions of new technology, poverty, because there's some people that are unable to pay for even the basic necessities, government programs, discrimination in the labor market, and buyers and sellers with imperfect or unclear information. We'll go over this, bring it home. So a dime a dozen. So a quick glance at table 8.12 reveals the dramatic increase in North Dakota's corn production, almost a tenfold increase from 1972. Recent allocation of land to corn as of mid-2019 is estimated to have increased to more than 4 million acres. Taking into consideration that corn typically yields 2 to 3 times as many bushels per acre as wheat, it is obvious that there has been a significant increase in bushels of corn. Why the increase in corn acreage? Converging prices. Historically, wheat prices have been higher than corn prices, offsetting wheat's lower yield per acre. However, in recent years, wheat and corn prices have been converging. In April of 2013, Ag Week reported the gap was just 71 cents per bushel. As the difference in price narrowed, switching to the production of higher yield per acre corn simply made good business sense. Eric Youngren, the president of the National Association of Wheat Growers, said in the Ag Week article, I don't think we're going to see mile after mile of wavering amber fields of wheat anymore. Until wheat prices rise, we will probably be seeing field after field of tasseled corn. Just that the corn, it's more efficient to grow, there's more yield, and so that's why they've kind of switched to that. So we'll go ahead and end here, and then I'll see you in class next week for chapter 9.